Hey guys, JB Gaming here, and some of you guys didn't know that I'm a fan of JoJo's Bizarre Adventure, and today we're going to be creating a stand. The stand I like the most is obviously the one and only Star Platinum. I've played this game before, so oh shoot, I accidentally pressed the wrong button. Anyway, I've played this game before, so I know what to do. Choose Star Platinum. 1, 2. Then put this. Then his gloves. Then put his knee pads on. Then the last accessory you need to put on him is obviously his boots. We're going top to bottom. Something happened to the knee pads. Yeah, that's it. Now all we need to do is go like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And you have Star Platinum. For the face, use the Star Platinum face. And what I like to do is, there's this kind of blue that I put on Star Platinum. Let's see. Yes, this one. I like to put this kind of blue, it fits. Now, on the back, I'm gonna get the world accessory. And I'm gonna get I don't know. Someone's killing me, that's just great. Anyway, that looks better. No, hold on. Black looks better. Yeah, that's better. Anyway, the other thing is this. Okay, then there. Okay, I think that it's done, so let's save it, and I'll show you guys the last result. Here it is. It's Star Platinum. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one.